South Carolina promissory notes give an overview of a borrower's legally binding promise to pay back a lender in the state. Will detail the elements of a promissory note as well as laws specific to the state of South Carolina concerning interest rates and signing requirements. What is a promissory note? A promissory note is a relatively straightforward do-it-yourself document that outlines the terms for the borrowing of money and how the borrower will pay back the funds to a lender, which could be a bank or an individual. Promissory notes are legally binding and are more detailed than a simple IOU form, but less comprehensive than a standard loan agreement. Types of promissory notes. Promissory notes come in two kinds, either secured or unsecured. There are advantages and disadvantages to each type of note for both the borrower and the lender in varying situations. Secured promissory note. A secured promissory note is backed by an asset of value such as a vehicle or a home. If the borrower does not pay back the loan within the agreed upon time frame, the lender has the right to acquire the property of the borrower. Unsecured promissory note. These notes do not allow the lender to secure an asset for money loaned. This means that if the borrower does not satisfy the loan, the lender must seek restitution in small claims court or through other legal processes. In general, lenders may be more inclined to enter into an unsecured agreement with trustworthy borrowers, exhibiting higher credit scores, or people they know, such as friends or family. Lenders might also charge more interest and could have the possibility to make more money off of unsecured loans because of their higher risk, where secured loans pose less of a risk. Interest rates usury rate. A state's usury rate is the maximum amount of interest a lender can charge. Lenders must be mindful of usury rates, as charging a higher interest rate than allowed may incur penalties. In South Carolina, the maximum interest rate is 8.75% per year unless another rate is agreed to in writing. Consumer loans under $25,000 in the state are limited to a maximum interest rate of 12% per year. Signing requirements. In South Carolina, both the borrower and the lender must sign the promissory note. A witness is not required to sign but is recommended. Moreover, for loans exceeding $10,000, a notary public is highly recommended.